Hi guys, it's Yura here. I'm gonna be showing you 5 editor tips you could use in Grab. Many players don't even know this, so yeah, let's get into it. But before, make sure to subscribe. It's really easy. You just click the subscribe button, and that's literally it. That might be reversed for you, but it says subscribe for me. So yeah, let's do a cool transition in 3, 2, 1. All right, so we just loaded into the map. Let's start off with number 1 here. So this is the first one. Basically, these two blocks are exactly like separate from each other. Like I'll show you. You first of all, if you want to make something like this, like let me show what can happen if you don't do this. Let's say you're just changing, like putting a block over block. This weird glitch happens. So instead of that, turn your position snap to 0.125, and then take 2 blocks. And you also gotta make sure, like, touch the like angles and sides to see if it's a square, and then copy it, and then boom, just like that, exactly. And then you could like change it to black, green, yellow, and it still works. Okay, next one, time the animation. This one, a lot of people don't really understand. So let me just put the frames on this. Now, first, time the animation. Let's say we want to time this to go over here and then go back, and as soon as this hits there, this has to go over there in the back. Now, we could do this with triggers, but that's for another video, so let's just do it with animated. So, let's animate it. One here, let's start here, and then let's go to here. So we're gonna bring it right here, and that'll be 2 seconds. Now you have to go to back, or no, yeah, we have to go to back over here, and then put 4 seconds. That's not 4 seconds, never mind. So then, since this is gonna do the same speed as this is already like 4 seconds, so let's just add another 4 seconds, which is gonna be 8. Boom. Now for this one, we need to put one here, and this is gonna be starting after this hits there. So we need to add another one, and this time put the timer first. So 4, just like so, and then bring it over here. Click, and then yep, that's 6, and that's 8. So now I'll put them to start active, and then it should look like something like this. There we go, timed animations. Now, number 3. There's nothing here because we're gonna be building something. I mean, I'm gonna be building something. Trees. Very, very simple trees. Not too advanced. A lot of people don't know how to make trees, so I'm gonna show you how I make trees. So we're gonna make I'm gonna make this a bit thin. We're gonna make the thing. I forgot what it's called, but like this wooden thing. And then we're gonna go into our shapes, and then we're gonna take out this triangle piece, right? We're gonna enlarge it to be in the middle, like this. This is perfect. Now this is also gonna be in this thing tech. You change it to a color. That looks nice. Now you take the rotation thing, you hit group, and then you rotate it until like these 2 places are aligned. Then you take this one, and then you just, oh wait, I did it wrong. I think this, wait. Yeah, this is good. It's like these 2 are like a V shape. They're triangle, upside down. And then you take this one right here, and then you push it in until it's in the middle. Oh, this isn't really exactly in the middle. Yeah, like this. This is perfect. So after you do that, you could copy it like 3 times or 2 times. So this is a pretty nice tree. Kind of looks like a Christmas tree. Now, number 4. We kind of showed this in the last one. Colored blocks. So what many people do, if they're like a beginner or something, I've played for 5 months and I learned this trick. This is normal, like on the simple color palette. This is not. It's on advanced. So here's how to make colors like 10 times better. First, let's say, I want it purple. We're gonna go to the simple, and then we're gonna hit purple, like the type of shade of purple I want. Let's say I just want like a light purple, but this doesn't look good. So let's go to advanced, and then what I like to do in advanced is like try to like fiddle around like this area, this like area, because like this is the best spot because it gives like a cool like shade, and then like this one would be for light, and then this one would be for like somewhere dark. So yeah, and then a final tip is for mountains. This looks very, very ugly. So instead of putting this, let's take a circle, stretch it out, turn your snap to 0 because it's just better. I'm gonna stretch it back a bit. It's a bit too big. And then enlarge it. Put like barely any into the ground, so like it should be sticking out like this. And then make it like whatever color. And then like group it and like add like from like bottom to top, how like thin and like big it is. Boom. And then you could add like details, like extra like mountain details like this, like different color blocks. This makes your mountains really good. And another thing a lot of people do is also by adding moss. Moss makes your mountains look very neat. So yeah, that's how you some of the stuff. Alright, there we go. We got our 5 tips. This is looking like a really nice mountain. So yeah, that's basically it. Bye guys.